Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hey YouTube, it's me, LaShawn. Thanks for stopping by. This is a quick video because I went to the store today and I didn't do like a grocery haul where you record the things. I don't really do those anymore, but I didn't buy any meat. Zero meat. So no chicken, no fish, no pork, no beef. That's what it is. Now, why I didn't buy any? Because I cannot afford it on this food trip. Now, that happens a lot. When you're on a fixed income, you have to do what you got to do. Sometimes you got enough for it, and sometimes you don't. Sometimes you're blessed, and somebody will help you, and sometimes you're not. It doesn't bother me. I have been without meat before. Okay, that's how I started doing these videos. When I first started on YouTube, it wasn't no meat in my meals. So what I wanted to talk to you about today is the meals. I say my top 3 maybe. I'm not finna cook nothing. I'm not finna go in the kitchen. I'm just gonna tell you about it because people cannot like wrap their brain around the fact that you ain't got no meat. Oof. People, you are learned. Everything you do is learned. So if you eat meat every day, that's what you're going to do because that's what you know is learned. If you have to go some days without meat, then you learn to adjust. And then some people don't eat meat at all. It ain't got nothing to do with money. It's personal preference. So let's just be respectful of people in the comment section. And it doesn't bother me what you put down because I go without meat all the time. Now, I wanted to start off by saying when I say meat, I'm talking about chicken. I'm talking about fish, pork, beef, all those things, hamburgers and all that. Not like turkey because turkey is the foundation of my life. I think I eat a little bit of turkey every single day, okay? So the first thing I want to start with is the Cobb, C-O-B-B, the Cobb salad. Now, I get a head of lettuce. I don't use all of it. I cut up the lettuce, and then I get me some carrots. Gotta have carrots. And then cucumbers. It's not for everybody. I put no cheese, 0. No cheese, no tomatoes, 0. This is my personal preference. So I got the lettuce, I got the carrots, I got the cucumbers. Now I'm gonna boil 2 eggs. I boiled the 2 eggs. I cut them in 4. So now I got 4 sections of egg. Cause I cooked 2, split them down the middle. So I have 4 sections of eggs. And so we'll leave that so it can fit at the top. Next, we go in the fridge and we'll get the pack of, I don't know, whatever you use. I like honey turkey and sliced. I get Great Value brand, Aldi brand, wherever I go. And I get a few slices of that and I cut it like shredded. like that. I cut it this way. And I cut it up and I put it in that salad and I mix it, mix it, mix it. It depends on how much turkey you have. If you're on a budget and that turkey gotta last you all week, you gotta do sandwiches and stuff, then don't put as much turkey in your Cobb salad because you got other things in there that'll enrich you. So you cut up the turkey in there. Now, when I was in the hospital, they did turkey and ham. That was the first time I ever had it with ham because I really stopped buying ham. So anyway, that's the suggestion. It's absolutely delicious. Put your dressing on there and you won't even miss the fact that there's no chicken in that salad. You know, because a lot of people like, where's my chicken? They gotta have chicken in their salad. It's not necessary. And it's really your choice. The next thing that I absolutely adore is tortilla bread. Tortilla bread, that's right. For like $1. Well, if you go to the dollar store, it's $1.25. But if I go to Walmart or something, I think it's like $1.50. It depends. If I get it from Walmart, it's because I'm ordering from Walmart and it don't make sense to try to take the Jacksonville Transit Authority, the van or lift to another store to save 25 cents. Okay? When you finna pay, I don't know how much to get where you gotta go. It's not necessary. So you get the tortilla bread, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Then you make some rice. Rice is just, whew, rice is the best thing that was invented. And then the type of beans you want to use. Now, there are so many different kind of beans you can add to that tortilla. Let's just go with black beans because of the flavor of them. And you can season it any way you want to. You can put the rice and the beans on your tortilla with no seasoning if it's just too much for you. Or you can just put just a little bit of salt and some pepper, and that might be all you need. Or you might have to put a little chili pepper if you like a little spice to it. And then you wrap that wrap up and eat it, and it's just, you won't miss the chicken. You won't miss the chicken. See, it'll taste like a fajita without the chicken. And that is a really good meal. So I said I was going to do 3, but I'm just going to do those 2 because I want to go back. The Cobb salad is absolutely delicious. And when you eat it, it don't fill you up, but it gives you a feeling of gratitude and a feeling of, oh, that's enough. Drink you some water and enjoy your Cobb salad today. Or you can make the tortilla, with the beans and the rice. Absolutely delicious. Now, we could take the beans away for breakfast and put eggs in there, and it's the same concept, and you got breakfast. So I'm just giving you options because a lot of us are struggling. A lot of us can buy lots and lots of meat. I'm grateful to God that you can, and fill up your freezers and do whatever that God leads you to. But some people don't have the resources or the money to buy chicken and pork chops and fish and all those things. So we want to be respectful of people. And if you can, help a friend. Help a friend. If you can, find a neighbor and see if a neighbor needs help, do it. It's just part of how we do, how we grow, and how we give back. Okay? So that's it. There are so many different meatless meals. And don't be ashamed if you cannot purchase meat this week. Next week is coming. The week after that is coming, and maybe then, but then again, maybe not. Keep your mind open and don't feel bad when you're not able to reach that particular goal, because it can be looked over. No meat is real simple. It's other obstacles. It's other things that'll break you down faster than a piece of meat. Okay? So anyway, that's it. That's all we doing. No more chatty. Okay? For the people in the back. Don't leave me no crazy comments. Anyway, thank you for joining my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And at this time, we're going to breathe in and breathe out. We thank we we thank you. We so grateful that you joined our meatless, dun, 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 meatless cheap meals. That's a good one. Meatless cheap meals. That's our title. So wherever you headed today, be happy and joyful. Put a smile on your face and treat people with respect. Wait, and dignity. It's the only way to live. So have a good day. Have a blessed day. And remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.